In today's video, we are going to use a spray foam to seal a leak that I have in a window in this old van. This is literally, it's called Great Stuff, and it is. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. This is excellent for filling gaps in your house where you don't want bugs or mice or whatever to get in. The instructions are shake it for 60 seconds. I've already done that. I'll save you the time of watching it. This has our tube we put on the top. You just screw it on like that. And now I'm going to show you the issue we have, and we're just going to spray it into the gap. The issue I have here is that the rear window on the driver's side of my old van will not close. I've already tried messing with the electrical circuit. See, this is opened, and I've changed the fuse and the relay. It's probably the electric motor, and I'm not going to get into that. But I do have to seal this up because every time it rains, obviously the rear of the van gets wet. And you're going to want to have a set of gloves handy for this because this stuff is really sticky. On the inside of the window, I ran duct tape all around it. You probably are concluding that is not going to work. It definitely will not work. I'm just putting this in place to give a base for the Great Stuff to like stop, and then it'll harden up. You operate the can just by pulling down on the trigger. Once the Great Stuff dries, it's quite hard. You can see here. This has been about, I'm going to say 45 minutes or so. But because I sprayed it so thickly, it's still a little, like if you cut into it, see it's a little tacky still there. But that's just because I sprayed it so thick. I just cut it off right along here. And now I'll cut the remainder along there. The purpose of this video is just to show you how to use the Great Stuff product, not a recommendation on what to do if you have a leak in your van in a window. I paid $800 for this old van 8 years ago because the owner thought the transmission was bad, and it turned out to be a $50 transmission position sensor. So, little disclaimer there. Anyway, hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.